You are going to love the 2007 Toyota Camry Solara. The Toyota Camry Solara is the two-door coupe version of the standard Camry. This is a vehicle for people wanting the comfort and convenience of a sedan while retaining the young, sporty feeling of a two-door coupe. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.